Hey everyone, it's Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing today? This is our 60-second history lesson by the Mantiques Network. Back in the late 1800s, they had made a pump device like this to put up to sell kerosene. Then later, about 2 decades later, they used it to pump gasoline. Basically what we have with this one strip down here, which the skin's off it, but you can see how the pumping worked. The patron went in, he pumped the handle, up went the gas through pressure. He then would see how much gas he was in there. The reason this was clear is so he could see the clarity of the gas and how much gas he was getting. So he would go ahead, pump it up to the amount of gas that he wanted, and then use the hose to fill his car in. In the late 1800s and 1900s, this was referred to as a visible gas pump for the first filling stations that were started in the early 1900s.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.